Hello students, myself SJP. Welcome to class 9th SST. Children, in this part we are going to discuss democratic politics first for class 9th, chapter 2nd, constitutional design. This is second part of this chapter. In this chapter we will discuss making of the Indian Constitution, how Indian Constitution was made, what kind of environment developed while making Constitution, what type of atmosphere created after independence, and how colonial government, British government, which ruled our country for a long period, how they interfered and how we won on their interference. Children, like South Africa, India's constitution was also made in great difficulties. The situation of religious differences, that is Hindus and Muslims, they were totally different to each other. They are opposing each other and they had different views, different ideas, and they were fighting with each other. They killed with each other. And while partition of India and Pakistan, more than 10 lakh people were killed. Children, this was a massacre, a great massacre during India's independence. Children, the British government, it was happy and they were taking pleasure while killing of peoples took place. Children, when partition was started, at that time British government, they allowed the princely states to join either India or Pakistan or remain independent. This was one of the major challenge for Indian freedom fighters at that time, how to manage this situation. At that time, a great personality, Mr. Vallabhbhai Patel, he took interest and he jumped and he united all princely states for India and made them in the form of states. Children, along with this, many types of challenges came in front of constitution maker. These people, they were influenced by various countries, and it created one of the major situation and major atmosphere while creating Indian Constitution. Many types of obstacles came, religious differences, language problem, you can say low education, and illiteracy in the country was at large extent. That's why we were not able to make our constitution very quickly. Many freedom fighters and many peoples, they joined Constituent Assembly, and the path of making constitution became clear day by day. Children, this Constituent Assembly means the assembly of people that writes constitution. Large number of peoples were in this assembly. Some names I want to tell you. He was Vallabhbhai Patel, Mr. Abul Kalam Azad, T.T. Krishnamachari, Rajendra Prasad, Jaipal Singh, H.C. Mukherjee, G. Durgabai Deshmukh, Baldev Singh, then Kanhaiya Lal, Manik Chandra Munshi, B.R. Ambedkar, he played key role in making India's constitution. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sarojini Naidu, and Somnath Lahiri. All these peoples, they had taken deep interest in developing Indian constitution. Children, the Constituent Assembly, they drafted and they made clause. What is draft? Draft means preliminary version of document. Actually, constitution is a document in which the supreme rule for a country related to politics, society, economy, and other things are written properly. Children, it was divided into clause, that is, clauses were distinct section of document. and Constituent Assembly, they started making these draft and clause and started framing Indian Constitution. And while making Indian Constitution, there were some guiding values of Indian Constitution, and that we will discuss here. Children, while you can say on 26 November 1949, Constitution of India was adopted, and the very first meeting of Constituent Assembly that started on December 1946. Okay, so here there was a, you can say, typical case, means typical path of Constitution was adopted by the members of Constituent Assembly. And children, while forming this Constitution, they had to bring guiding values, and they were totally influenced by French Revolution. They took various ideas and various policies from French Revolution, voting rights, and equality before law, and many other things which are included in our fundamental right. They came from French, you can say French Revolution. Children, from USA, Bill of Rights, that was adopted in Indian Constitution. Along with this, from British Parliament, they adopted some basic rules. Along with this, how to make Constitution, how election should be there, and other things they adopted from European countries where democracy, or they also adopted from USA. Along with this, they had adopted a great, you can say, such type of policies in which they had consulted with each other while making different clauses, while making draft. They had to consult with each other, and they had to start discussion over it and try to make arguments whether it should be included in Indian Constitution or not. Children, one thing more, the philosophy of the Constitution was important guiding values of Indian Constitution. Philosophy means the most fundamental principle of one's thought and action. That is philosophy. Philosophy means the most fundamental principle of one's thought and action. So this is used in Indian Constitution, and the Indians' thoughts and actions were included in this Constitution. Here we will discuss some more things about institutional design. Before that, I want to discuss preamble of our Constitution. Children, in Indian Constitution, preamble is the introductory section. That is, it is at the first page, written in beautiful calligraphy. Children, the first point is we the people of India. हम भारत के लोग, means we the people of India, means हम सब भारत के लोग हैं सबसे पहले, तब जा कर के हम पंजाब, हरियाणा, उत्तर प्रदेश से बिलोंग करते हैं. फर्स्ट हम कहाँ के लोग हैं? भारत के लोग हैं. वी आर द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया. चिल्ड्रन, वी आर सॉवरेन. सॉवरेन मीन्स हम खुद संपन्न हैं, हम अपने लिए, हम किसी पर निर्भर नहीं है, आत्मनिर्भर हैं. वी आर सॉवरेन. एंड सोशलिस्ट. इन आवर कंट्री सोशलिस्ट मीन्स यहाँ समाज का सिस्टम है, सोशल सिस्टम है, और सब लोग बराबर हैं. एंड सेकुलर. हमारी कंट्री में सेकुलरिज्म है, मीन्स एवरी रिलीजन्स आर प्रैक्टिस्ड इक्वली and there is no differences in the eyes of law, and everybody can practice their religion independently in Indian boundary. Okay, along with this, we are democratic. Democratic means we experience and enjoy the theme of democracy. We are independent. We rule ourselves by our own elected representatives. Along with this, we are republic. Republic means we have our specific constitution and we follow this constitution, and whole government machinery adopt this constitution. Means everybody is republic. And justice. There is justice before law. Everybody is given equal justice. Everybody is equal before law. Means justice is not different for different section of society or different status of person. Justice is equal and justice is given well in time using judiciary. Children, liberty. हम लोग फ्री है, आज़ादी है हमें. वी हैव विन लिबर्टी. हमारी कंट्री में लिबर्टी है. एंड इक्वालिटी. सब बराबर हैं. एवरीबडी इज़ इक्वल. नोबडी इज़ सुपीरियर और इन्फीरियर. वी आवर कंट्री बिलीव इन इक्वालिटी. देन फ्रैटर्निटी. हमारी कंट्री में भाईचारा है. एवरीबडी आर ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स. That's why our emblem, it is the essence of Indian Constitution. Children, one thing more, I want to discuss institution design. Constitution is made, but who will follow it and who will implement it and who is responsible to administrate to people and who compel the people to follow. They are institutions. All government machineries are institution. Political system, economic system, and we have got social system. Prime Minister office, it is institution. Chief Minister office is an institution. Ministry of Defense is an institution. Ministry of External Affairs, it is an institution. Ministry of, you can say, many types of railway, Ministry of Defense, and various ministries of external affairs. All these are part of institution who run on behalf of the principles of Constitution. Constitution is given a provision of constitutional amendment. Children, our generation, they are getting educated day by day. They are gaining technology. They are using it, and their lifestyles are changing. Their views are changing according to modern term, you can say tradition and condition. That's why our constitution have a provision of constitutional amendment. Means अपने अनुसार हम constitution में changes भी कर सकते हैं, and it should not affect the majority. It should be favorable to everyone. It should be adopted, you can say it should be accepted by everyone for this constitutional amendment. Many types of constitutional amendment took place. For example, in India, first there was only two-tier system, that is union government and state government. But after a particular amendment, three-tier system was adopted in India, and many types of election amendments took place, and Mandal Commission came, and for socially and economically backward classes got reservation through these amendments. That's why constitution is very flexible, and it is one of the best for our country. In this manner, children, you can go through the books of NCERT and go through word by word and try to understand by getting meanings from dictionary, and try to understand the essence of lesson and develop your facts. Thank you for watching this video.